In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can position and manipulate our part on the print bed to give us the best results when 3D printing. Under the Position tab on the ribbon, we have a number of different options. We have a simple move option, which will allow us to move our object around using various grippers, changing its orientation and its location. Another useful option we have here is Place Parts on Platform. If we select this and select our part, we can set a platform clearance. Since I want it to lay on the bed of the printer, I'm going to leave that at 0 and hit OK. That will move our part down so that it is placed on the bed. We can still see here that it's at an angle, and therefore we would need supports in here, and this isn't really an optimal orientation for printing. We have a few options to help us deal with this. We have this option for minimize build height. So if I select my object and hit OK, it's going to automatically orientate my object to give us the lowest build height possible, i.e. it's going to pick the lowest height that it can print to and still print the object. Now there are still some issues with how this would present. In this case, I now have an overhang here, and usually with curved surfaces, we don't want them parallel to the bed, but perpendicular to the bed to give us the best results. If I click the drop down on the position here, I have a few more options available to us. Automatic orientation is a cool feature inside Fusion 360 that will give you a number of different orientations that you can pick from to try and find the optimal orientation for your part. If I select automatic orientation, choose my target component, here we can set a number of different options, but I'm going to leave them as default for now and hit OK. Now at first you see nothing's actually happened, but under the results tab here, we have a number of different rankings. If I switch through these rankings, it will give me a number of different automatically generated orientations. In this case, most of them appear the same since this is a uniform object. Ranking number 7 here, you can see is colliding with the build plate. When an object shows up as red, it means that it's basically not going to print, or it's colliding with another part or the print bed itself. Here we can see another one and another one. This one is problematic because we have overhangs here that would require supports. So these are ranked 1 to 9, with 9 being the worst and 1 being the best. If I select number 1, you can see it's orientated the part so that the largest part is on the bottom. We have that curved surface perpendicular to the bed, and it's nicely positioned on the plate. So if I hit OK, that'll have our part orientated for us.